Hey guys, it's me, THC, and I'd like to welcome you to the Mars Hydro TS1000 Automatic Grow. Alright guys, so we're here in the 32 by 32 Pollinate tent. What we have in here is a little update. I've reconfigured just a tad bit. I've added two different things and taken one thing out. Not sure exactly how this grow is going to finish out, as this is a new grow with the TS1000, but we are still giving it autos at 24 hours. As you can see in the middle, the bubble gum from I Love Growing Marijuana that I got from my neighbor, Tori Strand, is looking pretty nice. It's loving the TS1000, it's loving what it's growing in, and it's doing quite nice under the 24-hour light. Over here, we have Aussie Big Buds, critical mass. And I had a little issue with this one. Autos are very touchy, and a simple thing like overwatering can set them back. And it's actually my fault with the autos. Like I say, they're very touchy. I'm very new to autos, and sometimes I do make some mistakes, and I would say I messed this up a little bit. The interesting thing is the I Love Growing Marijuana plant suffered all the same issues. So we don't know. I think it might be more of a strain-specific kind of thing on this with the critical mass. But the critical mass is a wonderful strain. I do have several growing in the veg tent, and it smells fantastic. And what really matters in the urban garden is that the final smoke is great. No matter how big the plant, it really ends up in the end. What I have here is a nice little sprout of some strawberry banana that I got in from Synergy Automatic Genetics. I have to give a little shout out to that company for sure, because there was only a 3-day turnaround with this purchase. A great purchase from Synergy Automatic Genetics. So thank you very much, Synergy Automatic Genetics, for that. And what we have here is the same thing as a Pineapple Express. You guys don't see anything right now as she has not breached the surface of the soil, but I can assure you that that seed has popped. And so we'll have some Pineapple Express Auto Fem along with some Strawberry Banana Auto Fem going under this TS1000. And no matter what, we will definitely keep one critical mass in here, and we'll see what happens. We'll probably go with only 4 plants in here because I don't think anything more will fit. I think it's going to be a little tight with 4. We'll play it by ear. If we have to take 1 or 2 out and go with a 2-plant grow, we'll see what happens. I mean, it's all experimentation here. It's all in good fun, and it's all just doing a review for the Mars Hydro TS1000. So shout out to Mars Hydro. And if you would like to purchase a light from Mars Hydro, I do have a discount code that I will leave down in the description. With that, I say, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden, guys.